Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So if you guys don't mind smashing that like button, and we shall go straight over to those Bitcoin charts. Yes, Bitcoin on the 4 hour. We have come down and tested our support zone. The mid support zone of the lower half. We are currently in that zone now. You can see we swung above our resistance, came back down, back tested the underside of it and got rejected, and now come back down to our lower support level. So Bitcoin has to pretty much hold this support level. Otherwise, we are gonna definitely open up the increased probabilities of coming back down to 30,000 and then potentially losing 30,000 at that pass. So this is a pretty pivotal point, pretty pivotal level. We need to basically hold this level, and yeah, make our way back up for things to start to look good, for that move into the top half and things to generally speak and recover in crypto. So yes, not much else to say on that other than we're at an important level. That for the medium term trend we do kind of need to hold, otherwise things will start to look increasingly bad. If we do hold this and turn back up though, on the flip side, things will be looking pretty good then for us to get through 36, get into the top half, spend some time in here, and then have a shot at breaking above that 42,000 resistance. Over to Ethereum, Bitcoin looking good. We hit our obviously first level here, had a bit of resistance at that level, managed to break through, and then I've come to our next level. So we're currently at our next horizontal level, where we are obviously wanting more of the same, potential sideways here, and then break up to well basically towards these trend lines. We could probably draw a nice horizontal in here, because we know we prefer horizontals, and we do need some targets around here. So we'll draw another horizontal in, and then we're not necessarily relying on these trend lines. But yeah, we've got some horizontal action to aim for at the 0.06768 level, and then yeah, I mean, get back up to there. We could be looking at a run basically to take out these highs. So yeah, not looking bad. Obviously we do need general health in the crypto market, so we do need Bitcoin to hold this level. Otherwise I don't think Ethereum is gonna like really do its own thing against Bitcoin, but we shall have to see. It is a possibility, but not one that we want to be relying on. But yeah, the Ethereum dollar pair, as you can see, got back above our horizontal as well, and testing that horizontal old resistance as new support now. So yeah, stocks looking good. I mean, look at that, guys. Look at this, guys. Stocks looking good. Actually, in the face also of the dollar, making a move right into our resistance level. So I mean, we're not a massive fan of double tops, but or we don't particularly want a cupboard handle here either. But we are pushing our luck here, and if we do get higher, then realistically we've got targets of 93s, and eventually this could start to weigh on overall markets, and not just well, apparently crypto market is weighing on, not obviously weighing on stock markets. But yeah, we kind of need this to come back down, otherwise things could start to get basically things could start to get less than ideal. Bitcoin dominance as well, as you can see, they're starting to make a move lower as well, which is what we obviously want to see. I mean, obviously Ethereum, no doubt, been a large part of this. But yeah, looking towards a sort of recent price action level, where if we do take this out, especially just basically come below this this box here, then we should realistically be looking at a resumption of the downtrend. But this is all predicated on obviously Bitcoin doing well. So if Bitcoin is going to break down, then all bets are off, and none of this is really going to play out in a fashion that we would like it to. So yeah, so let's have a look at stochastics. We did know the short time frames were looking bearish yesterday. 4 hour has come all the way down, dragged us all the way down. So if this can turn back up, hopefully it can get us back up towards 36,000. 10 hour and 12 hour we knew were not looking great, and yeah, 10 hour has turned down, potentially got a trend line for us to come down into if we so choose. 12 hours turned down again, has turned down, so we obviously got that not potentially in our favor. But daily looking okay. 2-day potentially looking to turn back up. 3-day, well, doing its thing, and everything higher doing their same thing also at low levels. So the potential for us to go on a nice run. So yeah, maybe not the best stochastic. We do realistically need to turn that 4-hour around. Start to get support here, start to turn back up, and then potentially we can get back up to 36 and beyond. But as it stands, we are at an inflection point and critical pivot point where we need to hold this level. Maybe we get some weights below, but we need to hold on a closing basis, get support, and then start to make our way back up towards this resistance zone. So yeah, that is it, guys. Quick one this morning. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I shall speak to you guys soon.